Hi, through this video, we are going to discuss Pandas. Pandas in Python. So basically, Pandas is an open source library which is used to multiple analysis. Basically, the Pandas using for data cleaning process, data transformations, data analysis, integrations, and we can integrate it with a number of libraries which is connected with machine learning. So this Pandas basically it is an Excel representations like rows and column. We can save the data as rows and columns, and we can build with NumPy, and we can access this data for you can create as a number of rows and columns like Excel and as well as database. So after once you created a Panda, you can integrate it the Panda with Matplotlib and Seaborn. So many machine learning libraries are this. We can integrate it with them. So basically, when the major advantages of the Pandas, which is used for data cleaning, the main purpose of the visualization techniques. You know that in data analytics we are having a number of data. For that, through that data we can analyze the data, and which data is used for our processes and our software. We can use the data, and we can scrutinize the data, and we can select some data. For that purposes we can use the visualization techniques. For the visualization techniques, we are using this Panda technologies. This Panda is an one type of machine learning technology, data science in machine learning, data science and machine learning technologies. Through that machine learning technology, we can handle the missing data. It is called manage missing data. It is called NAN. Through that, we can find out and handle the missing informations. If there is any data you already missed, if there is any data missed from the existing one, we can find the data. And the data cleaning, we can use the data cleaning processes, and we can remove the duplications also. If there is any duplications, for basically when you are using the database concept, we are using the normalization techniques. When through the normalization techniques, we are trying to avoid the duplications, but we cannot avoid the duplications, but we try to reduce the duplications through the technology called normalization in database. The same things as like the same things we are using in Pandas. We can handle the duplicate informations, and we try to remove the duplicate data from the uh, 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 data cleaning process. So when you're using the data cleaning process, what are all the processes we are doing? First, we are handling missing informations, missing data, and as well as removing the duplication. So the next one is data transformations. So when after these processes, the data transformations, which is used to filter the data, grouping the data, and as well as merge the informations. For example, I have n number of city informations in my data, n number of plenty of data I am having. From that data, I'm trying to make a group. The group, what are all the cities I'm having, I'm trying to make as a group. So we can make the city as one group, and the students as another group, and the productions as selling product as another group. So we can make the data as groups. And as well as if the data is the for example, I'm doing purchasing and selling. In my data I am having purchasing and selling, so I can merge the data to find the data visualization techniques, to find how many products were sold, and how many product were purchased, and what is the profit of this year, and what is the we can compare with the previous year to this year. So these are all the processes we can do through the data transactions. And the data analysis process, which is used for analysis in the informations, and you can perform the statistical operations. So when you're using the statistical operations, we can use the performance. And as well as integration is possible. When you're using the integration, the main purpose of integration, which is used to integrated with machine learning libraries like Matplotlib and the Seaborn lab. So these are all the possibilities we can do through the Pandas. The main purpose of Pandas, it is a library for data analysis. Why we want to do data analysis? We can create a proper data for visualization techniques, and you can work with the tables and rows like Excel and databases. And the main purpose of Panda, which is used for data cleaning, data transformations, data analysis, and as well as the integration. So how we can perform the data along with the example we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.